You know them days when you just really, really can't be arsed. That's one of those days for me anyway. Took the bonnet out to make some room. So what we're gonna do, some clutch pulling. I've got the proper clutch puller this time. See what mischief we can get up to, and if we can actually sort this clutch out. Right, that's a great bloody start. Feels like these threads are different. Fuck me. What we're gonna do with this bike, because this clutch puller isn't working. The threads feel different to what they are, and I'm not going to twist it on anymore to fuck it, basically. Like I said, it's one of them days. This can't be arsed, especially when you got shit like this. Fuck me. Nah. Fucking piece of shit, man. Fuck me. Fucking hell. Like, this is for the 250 as well. Like, the first generation one, not the 251. Just this one. From the MZ shop as well, to be fair. So thanks for that. The only thing left to do now is take it to a fucking garage. I shouldn't even have to take it to a garage. I mean, look, all the shit I've got. I might just go and find the nearest wall and bang my head off it. So all this bike, this bike is just what makes you want to do. The MZ head banger. Well, don't really know what to say, like. When, you know, the next time you will see this actual bike, because it's just a piece of shit. Absolute piece of shit.